Today in the state of Maryland, showing 81 degrees Fahrenheit, mostly sunny. Feels like 82 degrees. There will be mostly sunny skies. The high will be 87. That's what it says right there. However, we're going to stick with 81 degrees Fahrenheit for today in Maryland. We would like to welcome you, ladies and gentlemen, to Season 9 of the YouTube recording. Right here on YouTube Recording HD and the YouTube Recording Weather. So we're going to start off strong because it's going to be a good weather. However, it's going to be hot outside. So you might have to bring water. So let's go over to the Doppler radar, which is radar. So as you can see for today, there's no rain, no snow. So we're gonna skip the Doppler radar because there's no rain. So with the wind, wind are showing. So we're showing the one-figure number right here in Maryland, and especially in Baltimore, showing 4 miles per hour. With the colors are going to be low, so that means it's going to be, some are going to be a little bit purple. Mostly, we're showing the blue one. With clouds are picking up in Maryland where you live. So clouds are moving on the eastbound side. In counties where you live, showing Garrett County, Allegheny County, Washington County, Frederick County, Carroll County, Baltimore County, Cecil County, Kent County, Cecil County, and so much more. That means so on and so forth. So if you look outside, ladies and gentlemen, right now, you will see clouds. Clouds is like ball and circle. Humidity are showing 65% in BWI Airport and even in Baltimore. So we're showing the little bit of 60%. So we're showing the low 60s, mid of 70s, and higher of 80s. Like in Lexington Park, showing 83%. So on colors, so we're showing the light blue. With the visibility showing, we're mostly on the gray, but however, you will see that are going to be in, we're going to say in Dorchester. If you live in Dorchester, you will see that are going to be a little bit on green, showing 16.7 mile. That's on the gray. And on Garrett County and Allegheny County, if you live in Allegheny County and Garrett County, you will see that are going to be the green. So green are going to be nearly 10, like in 10 mile and so on. 8 and 9. But other than that, we're showing mostly on the higher of the numbers right here on the color of gray. With the sea level pressure. So we're showing more than 20 knots, excuse me. So I'll say it again. So in the state of Maryland, we're showing with mostly nearly on the 30-inch. So that's light white, color white. The dew point are showing the green stuff in Maryland. So we're showing the 60s in Maryland. And even 62 in Baltimore. With the air quality index, so we're showing that in Baltimore and even in BWI Airport. If you live in Baltimore, you however going to see 35 that are good. With the primary pollutant. The air quality poses little or no health risk. So enjoy that indoor activities. So like I've been telling you, you can enjoy activities, you can record, you can do everything other than just recording. Besides Baltimore where you live, the other places in Maryland besides Baltimore, so we're showing on the 30s. Westminster, Frederick, Hagerstown, Cumberland. Cambridge are going to be more than 40s. And even Washington on the 40s as well. So 42 in Washington and Cambridge. But other than that, we're showing the 30s. Don't forget, Salisbury, 48. With the severe weather, there's no mild, no moderate, no severe, no extreme. It's a good thing. So in Maryland, we're showing mostly in Maryland the moderate. Now besides colors, now speaking of colors where you live in Maryland, so we're showing the numbers. So if you look at the numbers, you will see in Baltimore that we're showing the 50s. Besides Baltimore in the 50s, we're showing 50s in Westminster. Nearly 50s in Frederick, Annapolis, and that's it. More than 40s in Cumberland, Hagerstown, Washington, Lexington Park, Cambridge, and Salisbury. Temperatures are going to be really hot outside. It's going to be on the yellow stuff in Harford County, Cecil County, Baltimore City, Kent County, Prince George County, and so on and so forth, ladies and gentlemen. So temperatures are going to be on the 70s and on the 80s. So 70s are Cumberland, Hagerstown, Westminster, Baltimore, Frederick, and Annapolis. 80s in Washington, Lexington Park, Cambridge, and Salisbury. So it's going to be hot outside. Finally, on precipitation. Well, there's no precipitation at the moment for today. It's no light, no moderate, and no heavy. It's quiet and empty, however. It's really a good thing. Now, so we're showing on the nearly 70s, more than 70s, more than 80s, and that's it. So we're going to start off where you live that are going to be more than 70s. So we're showing more than 70s in Oakland. That's the only place that we're showing. That's the only place that you have. If you live in Oakland, you will know that it's going to be 71 degrees, partly sunny. With the nearly 80s, we're showing Perryville, Cumberland, Hagerstown, Westminster, Rock Hall. But in Perryville, we're showing the sunny around 79. That's nearly 80 degrees. Hagerstown are going to be 78 degrees Fahrenheit, mostly sunny. Westminster, 79 degrees sunny. Rock Hall, 79 degrees also sunny. With the 80s and more than 80s, start off with Frederick with the 80s and even in Bel Air, Elton. So start off with Frederick, 80 degrees sunny. Same thing in Bel Air, same thing in Elton and Easton. With more than 80s, so it's showing Washington, D.C. and Annapolis are going to be mostly sunny. Same thing on the two numbers in Washington and Annapolis, going to be 81 degrees. So some are going to be on the sunnies, some are going to be partly sunny, some are going to be mostly sunny. That's the only place that you got in Cumberland, Maryland. Some are going to be sunny and so on. So with the average high in August, so it's showing 87 degrees. That's nearly 90 degrees. Average low, 67 degrees. Record high, 99 degrees, 2006. Record low with less than 60 degrees, 2000. Average rainfall, 4.39 inch. So today are going to be sunny. But we cannot promise you that are going to be tomorrow are going to be light rain showers around 81 degrees. Because sometimes they'll be changing the weather besides light rain. It could be sunny or it could be cloudy. You never know, you ladies and gentlemen, so you have to find out when you're watching the news. Now, before we're going to move on to the rest of the forecast, let's talk about day and night. So day, there will be mostly sunny skies. The high will be 87 that I showed you earlier. Night, the skies will be clear. The low will be 71 degrees. Now, ladies and gentlemen, here is the question. Today's high is 87. Is this above the average high for August 27th? It's either yes or no. And if you think yes, leave the like below. If you say no, then you like the video. So we will pick yes. So, and if you got it, you got the answer right. Now, speaking of questions, now let's move on to August. So the sunny days, 19, average high with more than 80 degrees. Rain and snow days with 6. Average low, 71 degrees. With umbrella, no needs. Outdoors, fair. Closing, you have to wear shorts. Heat stroke, caution. With the sunrise, 6:30 a.m., sunset, 7:45 p.m., moonrise, 5:51 p.m., moonset, 1:46 a.m. With the sun are going to be 13 hours, 15 minutes. Moon, 7 hour, 55 minutes. Now the rest of the forecast, ladies and gentlemen. So, like I said, we cannot promise you, we cannot guarantee that tomorrow are going to be rain showers. Because, like I said, because it could be tomorrow going to be sunny or tomorrow going to be cloudy. You never know. But other than that, tomorrow going to be light rain showers around 81 anyway. Now, moving on. Tuesday, mostly sunny around 83 degrees. Excuse me. I'll say it again. Tuesday, mostly cloudy, 83 degrees. Wednesday, mostly sunny, 85 degrees. Sunny on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. But however, with Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, start off with Thursday, are going to be 81 degrees. Friday is going to be 83. Saturday, 88 degrees. So that is the breakdown. Now, besides sunny, now the breakdowns, the other stuff are going to be mostly sunny, will be on Wednesday. That's the only day that we're going to get on Wednesday. The only mostly cloudy that we're definitely going to get is on Tuesday. And the only rain showers that we're definitely going to get is on tomorrow. And finally, mostly sunny for today. So Wednesday and today are going to be mostly sunny, but however, we're going to stick with 81 degrees sunny. So that's definitely the breakdown. And ladies and gentlemen, hope you enjoyed the season 9 of YouTube recording.